Good morning, afternoon, or evening, middle school students. Hopefully you are doing well on your side of the screen. Sorry I'm missing you for the month of April, but we just don't have a good Monday to meet together. So I figured I'd record myself going through the slides, and we'll meet back up in May. So how was your March? Did you do anything fun? Anything exciting in your world? I don't think I did too much fun except for spring break. What did you do for spring break? If you want to share, feel free to email me if you want. If not, hopefully you had a wonderful spring break, whether it was going someplace warm and sunny, whether it was a staycation and you did some fun around the house, or whether you just sat around and took selfies and stayed up late playing video games and sleeping in. Hopefully you had a wonderful spring break. And again, if you care to share, feel free to email me. I'd love to hear what you did over spring break. What? You want to know what I did? Well, me and my family went to Destin, Florida. Me and my sons and my wife drove down there. It was a long drive. Usually we fly. So that was a wonderful experience. We got to stop in Lexington, Kentucky, Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is the picture in the bottom left, and my son Oliver, and that kind of like an arch. Got to go to Ruby Falls and Stonehouse, some cool places to see a lot of wonderful nature. So we love doing that. We got to stop at our first Buc-ee's. If you've ever been down south and went to one of the stops at Buc-ee's, fill up on gas, and just the store was huge. It was so amazing, and getting lost in there, and we've seen it on TV, so it was awesome to be able to experience it. And of course, it's always good to get some ice cream playing on the beach. And then that was in the bottom right is in our hotel room or our Airbnb and looking out onto the ocean. So we were super blessed and excited to spend a week down in Florida, but now we're back in the chilly, chilly, rainy Michigan. It's a thunderstorming today. I'm recording this on the 5th of April, which is Wednesday. Got a storm coming through. I want to take a few moments and celebrate and announce all the students of the month for the middle school. I do apologize if I mispronounce anybody's name. I hate doing that because it's often done to me. So I do apologize, but I want to make sure you all get your shouts out. Like the quartermasters. The quartermaster student of the month for March was Ryan Hopkins Jr. Congratulations, Ryan, and thank you for doing all the amazing things you do there in the quartermasters. I have the admirals, and their student of the month is Lillian Terrell. Congratulations, Lillian, and again, amazing job in the admiral pod. Ambassadors, your student of the month is Aiden Newcomb. Congratulations, Aiden. Keep up the great work. Lightkeepers, moving on to 7th grade, your student of the month is Michael Trombley Jr. Congratulations, Michael. Keep up the great work in the Lightkeeper pod. Blue Water, your student of the month. Oh, went to February. Sorry, should have changed that. It is March still. It's still March. Your student of the month is Noah West. Congratulations, Noah. Keep up the great work. There we go. Back to March. Your student of the month, Voyagers, is Montana Wicks. Congratulations, Montana. Keep up the great work there in the Voyager pod. Let's move up to Miss Hungerford's homeroom. Her student of the month is Marquand Gray. Keep up the great work, Marquand. And Miss Berlinski's student of the month is Sully Stranahan. Great job, Sully. Keep up the great work there, Miss Berlinski's class. Going up to 8th grade, Navigators. Your student of the month is Madison Ayers. Again, apologize, Madison. Congratulations, great job. And keep up that great work in the 8th grade. I'm sure you're going to be successful in high school. Outriggers, your student of the month is Abraham Perez. Congratulations, Abraham. Keep up that great work. And rounding off 8th grade, and I believe all of the students of the month, Mackinac student of the month is and Tracy. Congratulations, Madison, and congratulations to all of our students of the month. Keep up the great work, and thank you for being such wonderful leaders in your pods. I will give you a round of applause. Again, I appreciate everybody and all of the wonderful things you've said about our teachers and voting for your favorite teacher for Student of the Month for the month of March, which is Miss Krista Snyder. Miss Snyder is the Admiral Science teacher. Congratulations, Miss Snyder. I know those 6th graders love their science. They keep voting for their science teachers down there. I was a science teacher. I know it's the best subject and the most fun. So it makes sense. But congratulations to Miss Snyder and all of our wonderful teachers. Keep up the great work. Your students love you. Happy birthday to all of our April birthday babies. My wife's birthday is on the 9th this weekend. I got to hurry up and make that cake and get all the stuff ready for her. And yes, she is sharing her birthday with Easter. So hopefully all of you have birthdays in April. Have a wonderful birthday with your friends and family, and all of your wishes come true. The goals for April this month is definitely different, being the fact that we have teachers out quite a bit for testing, and I know students will be out here and there as well for testing. So this week, again, complete your daily plan, and then Friday is a half a day. So you only have your morning classes. Make sure you attend those. And then again, if you are behind in any of your work, or if you're failing any of your classes, please make sure you're using the rest of the day wisely to work on some stuff that you can use to better your grade. All right, use that time wisely. Next week, our state testing begins. So next week is our biggest week with a lot of the testing going on. Most of the teachers will be out. Please make sure you're staying up on your work when you're at home. And then the third week, the following week, is again completing your daily plan and attending all the classes on your schedule. And that theme continues on. Because again, as the month goes on, less teachers will be out, so more testing will occur. Then the majority of the 6th and 7th graders take their testing towards, I believe, the 3rd week of the month. But again, everybody's going to kind of be different depending on your site. Smaller sites can kind of move all the students into that first week and get them done. I will be at the Detroit site. So again, if you're going to the Detroit site, say hi to me. But being, again, the largest site at MGLVA, I will be out specifically most of the month. So just, again, be aware of that, making sure that you're checking your schedule every day to know what live classes you have, what work you have to complete. And again, anytime you have extra time on your hands, please make sure you're working on the stuff that you've missed, the stuff that you failed, and get those grades up. So that way, again, once May hits, we're only going to have about a month left, and you'll be in good standing. So again, the name of the game, the theme for April, is making sure you're checking your schedules and completing all of your work by the due dates, and again, working on stuff to get up those grades while you have the time, because come May, we're going to be taking our end of the year assessments and STAR, getting our final kind of units done, getting our grades up, and then wrapping up the year. So get started now and make sure you're in good standing come May. Again, MSTEP is not optional. I know some people kind of remember the COVID days of where we didn't have to do it one year in 2020. And then like there was a year or two of kind of like optional. And then again, we're back to it. The schools are required to have 95% of their students test. And again, we want to see all that growth and all that hard work come through, and again, showing the state all the amazing things we're doing at MGLVA. So if you haven't confirmed yet, please make sure you confirm with your teacher, with your site lead. Your LC should have gotten an email from Testing Nirvana, kind of telling them the date, the place, the time, all of that. But again, if you're not sure, please reach out to your homeroom teacher and they can look up that for you and make sure you're confirmed for testing. But again, not optional. We'll all be there as staff members, and we're excited to see you face to face. So make sure you come, say hi, smile. I know it will be early for most of us, but I'm excited to see you face to face. I know your teachers are as well. It is that time of year where again, it's just a great opportunity to come together. And then again, if you ever need help with anything, please make sure you're reaching out to your appropriate teachers, the support staff. Your advisors are here to help support you. Again, me as a principal, I'm here to support you as well if you need anything. Don't forget to get your technology fixed ASAP when you have struggles. Phone numbers there, websites there. Again, you can easily Google K-12 tech support. It will come up for you. And it's most of the time when you Google K-12 and your question, you'll find something like, how do I find my student or my student ID? How do I do? And you go K-12 and you search for that. Odds are 90% of the time you're going to find what you need. So practice those Google and searches. And again, make sure you're getting your technology fixed right away, because we don't want to hear that last week of school, well, I'm failing because my computer's broken for the past 6 months. That's not going to fly, and we're not holding open any classes extra for you to get your grades up. So please make sure you're starting now to get those grades up and ready to go. I keep seeing my face freeze, so hopefully it's been freezing for you in some weird ways and awkward places, so I can just look foolish. So again, it was great seeing all of you. Hopefully, again, you have a wonderful April, a wonderful beginning of spring, and we're excited to see you at testing, and I'm excited to see you come May at our assembly. Take care, and we'll see you all soon.